In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to compare Hostinger plans step by step, so you can choose the right hosting option without wasting money or getting overwhelmed. If you've ever looked at hosting pricing pages and felt confused by all the features, storage limits, and technical terms, this video will make it simple. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate each plan and decide which one fits your website needs. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is to visit Hostinger's official pricing page. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com/pricing. Make sure you're on the correct regional version of the site, because pricing and offers can vary depending on your country. Once you're on the pricing page, you'll see all of Hostinger's major hosting categories in one place. This usually includes shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, website builder plans, and sometimes VPS hosting as well. This page is important because it gives you a complete overview of what Hostinger offers, instead of looking at plans individually and missing key differences. Now, step 2 is to use the built-in comparison table. This is where most people make their decision. On the pricing page, you'll typically see a side-by-side comparison table that lists multiple plans in columns. For example, under shared hosting, you might see single, premium, and business plans displayed next to each other. Under each plan, you'll see key features listed in rows, so you can compare them directly. Pay close attention to the number of websites you can host. Some entry-level plans only allow one website, while higher-tier plans allow multiple websites. Next, check the storage size. This tells you how much data your website can hold, including images, files, and databases. Then look at bandwidth limits, which affect how much traffic your site can handle. You'll also want to check how many email accounts are included. If you're running a business, having multiple professional email addresses can be important. Another major feature to compare is backups. Some plans offer weekly backups, while higher plans may include daily backups, which provide better protection for your data. Look at the included extras as well. Many Hostinger plans include a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, CDN integration, and sometimes AI tools or performance enhancements. Advanced users should also review technical resources like PHP workers, RAM allocation, and CPU limits, especially if you're planning to run an e-commerce store or a high-traffic website. The comparison table makes it easy because you can see all of this side by side without guessing. Instead of reading separate pages and trying to remember features, everything is displayed clearly in one view. Step 3 is to check which plan fits your specific needs. Let's simplify it. If you're a beginner building your first website or a small personal blog, the single plan is usually enough. It typically supports one website with basic storage and essential features. If you plan to run multiple websites, manage client projects, or grow a blog long-term, the premium plan is often a better choice. It usually includes support for multiple websites, more storage, and a free domain. If you're building an e-commerce store or a business website that needs stronger performance and daily backups, the business plan is generally the better option. It provides higher resources and more advanced features to handle traffic and transactions more reliably. The key is to match the plan to your actual needs. Don't just choose the cheapest option without checking limitations, and don't overpay for advanced features you won't use. And that's it. That's how you compare Hostinger plans properly using their pricing page and built-in comparison table. Take a few minutes to review the features side by side, think about your website goals, and choose the plan that makes sense for you. If this video helped you understand how to compare Hostinger plans, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow hosting and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.